everyone, Niece with our treasure hunt, and welcome back to our channel. So today's lunch, just some mixed veggies that I have on hand, trying to use up some in the fridge, is radishes, leeks, cabbage, okra, and an onion, and some spinach. Woo! Here we go. Now, I just put the seasonings in here, which is salt, pepper, garlic powder, and oregano. So, cook until soft, and yeah, when I can take my spoon and go through my radishes like that, they're soft enough. That's good. I'm going to turn this off. I'm just going to put it in a bowl. Hopefully not to lose any, because for some reason every time, and this happens to my son, that's I guess is why it's messy. We got from here to here, some just fall off. So, and here comes
Hi.
Miss Anastasia. Hello, how are you?
Doing great.
Hold on, hold on. Finish.
I made me a hat.
You made you a hat.
Uh-huh.
Wow, okay. Well, we're going to see Anastasia's hat. Where is she? Ah, there she is. Look at that.
I chose this pink color.
Yes. Her mom got a loom knitting kit. So,
A knitting machine.
there you go. So she knitted her a hat.
And then I knit me a hat.
Yes.
And yes, this is pink.
Pink. It's a slouchy
Hi
hat.
Hi ho, hi ho, hi.
There goes people. So that is our lunch. And the mixed veggies. Here are the seasonings.
Hi, say hi.
Oh, Lordy. Oh, goodness. She's telling everybody to say hi. Barry's not ready. So if you haven't,
to say hi.
like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time
Wait, Mom wants to be on camera.
on our treasure home.